How to add bookmarks menu on Firefox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can add bookmarks menu on Firefox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Firefox. After you open it up, navigate to this empty space on your toolbar and you have to right click on it. Now from this menu box, you have to click on Customize Toolbar. Here you will have a list of all items that you can add on your toolbar. From here you have to search for bookmarks menu and there it is. Now you have to click on it and you have to drag it to the toolbar. So click on it and drag it to the toolbar right here and then leave it there. After you have done with that, then you have to click on done at the bottom right corner. Now the bookmark menu is added here. You can click on this bookmark menu and here you can see various options where you can get to the bookmark menu. It says search bookmark, manage bookmark and view bookmark sidebar. You have to click on the first option and here you can view all of the bookmarks tool that you can see. Here you can go to bookmarks menu and under this you will find all of your bookmarked web pages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.